so special, and it's the new technology. Oh, look! The MEDUSA is at the bottom. Can't you see it? This is the MEDUSA. From the bottom of my heart, and here we go. This is the one. Long time no see for my unboxing episode. Some of my friends know I've been super busy since I came back from Taiwan. I'm in Australia now. I haven't been having much time to sleep, eat or go shopping, but this is the episode I really wanted to share with you what I have bought, what I have purchased, what I'm wearing, what I'm using in the past 2 months and currently for this season. So, in Australia it is winter and in many cities it's super cold, right? And I've been shopping on and off, but something's very exciting and new I want to share with you. I think in the current few months I'm so into addicted to Versace, this brand. So first of all, I wanted to unboxing everything I have purchased from Versace with you. And some of the items are very ideal for people to travel. I know it is the post-COVID period, and we're traveling a lot. Like myself, I'm doing international and national, and in September I'm going to do a tour with MAKSIM, one of the greatest piano player in the whole planet. So let's unbox. First item, this is from Versace. I love the box. It's solid and you can purchase it online because I'm very busy, so I don't really have time to go in any shop at all, or even window shopping. So this is a mask. It has got the Monaco pattern on it, and here you go. This is for the traveling. So you travel with style. I really like it, and it has come with this look-through case. Next item, also Versace. This is a small box, and dun-dun, it is a ring. If you look closer, you can see the pattern and the icon of Versace. MEDUSA is her name? Yeah. And look at this one, oh my goodness. This is a necklace, it's so special. It also has got a MEDUSA, but this is a pink one. And guess what? Since I have got 3 daughters, I got 3 of them. So each daughter has 1 necklace. Before I keep going on with the Versace items, I want to show you this box of socks. It's from the Beatles. This is for Aaron. And I think this is super good for winter. Look at the color, look at the texture. It is from Zara actually. 2 pairs for 30 bucks. I think it's not too bad, is it? And Beatles, it's good for musicians and music lovers. Okay, alright, let's keep going on with Versace, shall we? Alright, now this one. This is a pair of jeans I purchased for myself. It's in black. I really like the patterns in the back. If you look at it, it has got rose and it has got Versace's pattern. And yeah, this is also for Aaron. Aaron's shoes got stolen at work. Can't you believe it? Who can steal that kind of big, smelly shoes? And he said, where's my shoes? I said, I don't know. I can't wear it. Aaron is wearing size 44. Do you know how big it is? It's like this big. And it's smelly, you know? And someone took it. Oh my goodness. Then I went to Versace's website and purchased, oh, this is actually not heavy. This amazing sneakers for him. It's amazing because of the color. It's quite bright. And I can spot him from maybe very far away. I can spot it from his shoes. And it's the new knowledge, which I don't know. It has got, oh, look, the MEDUSA is at the bottom. Can't you see it? This is the MEDUSA. So you're basically stepping on MEDUSA's face. Amazing. Alright, so this is for Aaron. Okay, next one. What's in it? Also from Versace. I think this is for my girl. Yes, it is. Look how shiny it is. Oh my goodness. This is for Harmony because she's going to play on the tour with us as well. So I love the texture for this pair of scandals. It's gonna be awesome with a pair of maybe not jeans, maybe a beautiful dress, and she can play her cello. I just received her A&E violin exam result. She got an A. I'm gonna show her this when I pick her up today. Ah, this is for Aaron. It is good for winter. It is comfy. And you just use this at home for winter slippers. Yeah, and you got the MEDUSA. Ooh. MEDUSA coming. And look, it is in pink. You can see the MEDUSA. Oh. Love it, love it. It's just very typical Versace. It basically has the icon face on it and great color. I have to say the colors are just great, amazing. Love it. Okay, let's have a look. What's this? This is for Harmony and Melody. They can share. This is a pair of Versace jeans for kids. It has got very nice texture. All of my kids has very super long legs, just like their father, not like their mother. Long legs, so that's why we need to have very long jeans. Bum bum. This is my pair. Look, I think it's very trendy. It has got the MEDUSA here watching you, and it has got those rococo sort of pattern, very elegant. I can match this with jeans or dress or anything. It's just, and the color black and gold, I think it's just super elegant. What do you think? Elegant, hey? From Versace. What is here? This is for Melody. This is a MEDUSA jumper. I think it's very cool, isn't it? MEDUSA is watching you, and it has got, my kids love hoodies during winter. I don't know why, but well, this is very nice. Alright, that's pretty much everything. Now, I'm gonna open the biggest one. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to open the biggest one with me? Now, if you watch all of my unboxing video, you know that recently, in the past 6 months, I've been keep saying that someone stole my LV yoga mat, right? Now, I've been very sad, and you know, it is stupid that you got stolen something and you buy exactly the same thing. This is not my type of tea. So I've been waiting for a yoga mat that can replace the sadness from the bottom of my heart, and here we go. This is the one. Ladies and gentlemen, the only special yoga mat presented by Versace. Are you ready? I need to hear you clap your hands. Ta-da! Here we go. This is the Versace yoga mat. It's very thick, I have to say. Oh, and it's very long. Here we go. Can you see it? Can you see it? The only thing I'm not very happy with is, compared with LV, is it doesn't have a strap. Maybe I have DIY one, but I like the texture of it. It is very heavy. I have to say, this is maybe double the weight compared with the LV one. So Versace had spent a lot of money to making it, but where is the stripe, Versace? You should give me one. Okay, alright, let's move on. This is the container I want to share with you from Hermes. I used to have a smaller one, which Harmony used it as a cello chair. It's that blue one, and I ordered this orange one. I've been waiting for a long time. You might ask me how I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it as a coffee table for David, who is going to visit us next week. He's going to put this in his room, and inside he can put all of his things from China, maybe clothes, books, and I don't know, pills or anything that he doesn't need to use it like constantly. So this is the container. I think this is a good item if you want to go to Hermes and buy something which is not necessary to be a bag. This can be a furniture, a piece of furniture. This can be storage use, and also this is a very good brand signature iconic product. Alright, now let's draw down to something very small. Winter, you always ask me what do I use. Well, La Perle lotion. This is I use after I wash my face, and also the sun protection UV protection oil SPF 50 from La Perle, these two. And last, this you all know this. Yeah, I wear that every day during nighttime. Very, very expensive liquid lift. Since I'm already over 35, my face needs to be lifted. Alright, so that's the skincare I've used for the previous 2 months. And all know that AJE is my favorite brand, and they are on sale, still on sale on their website. I got some dressed. Ready, everybody? Chan chan! Dum 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 dum. And next one. Chan chan! It's in pink, my favorite color. Dum 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 dum. And last one. It is orange. Think about Mandarin. Dun 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 dun. So I got 3 dresses from the online sale. I think they are minimum 50% off on my business. And also I got this for my kids. They can share. AJE t-shirt. Not too bad, hey? And also, I'm a hat lover. This is my hat. Okay. And also I got this from AJE. It's on sale. On sale. As on sale. Ladies and gentlemen, on sale. A t-shirt from AJE with the pattern, and also the matching pants from AJE. Good. Alright, you may ask me, what do I wear during winter? Now this winter, during nighttime, I'm wearing this jacket, puffy jacket from Chanel, every day during nighttime. Okay, every day. And during the daytime, this sweater from Prada is my new friend. Black. Black is the classic. Black is the new white. Great. And last, what I want to share with you is this vest from PPK. Alright, it's on sale. I think it's only 10-15 bucks. But it is one of a kind. It makes me happy. If you're happy and you know it, buy a vest. Boom, boom. If you're happy and you know it, buy a vest. Boom, boom. Okay, so when you see this video, I think it's already in August. I haven't been unboxing anything since I returned from Taiwan. I just wanted to share with you, no matter it's summer or winter, you may see that I have long hair. I'm wearing more, and I eat well, I think, and I'm in a very happy mood. Really because of, I think it's already post-COVID period, and I'm getting very busy with my work. I have to face the challenge every day, but I still enjoy life, and I buy what I want, I wear what I like, and I eat what I really, really want. So I want all of my friends from the social media can treat yourself really well and always reward yourself. I wanted to see happy faces. Ladies or gentlemen, please enjoy every day. as you can. Alright? So thank you for watching my video. Please press the like button and share with your friends. And also press the bell button on the top to channel in all of the videos from my channels and support me. And I will see you at my next video very soon. Please follow my socials below. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye bye.